Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer movie from mobile to pen drive. So I'm provide full guide. So at first take a pen drive. So this is my pen drive, and I'm take a converter. This is a USB to Type C. Okay, and just connect and open your file apps. Okay, put in. Then it's connect. Okay, open this, and at first time create a new folder. 3 dot to create folder, select. Okay, now I'm create this folder. Okay, so go back, you just select any photo, video or movie. So like I'm select this, more, and show in folder. Okay, go to this folder and select any movie, video or photo or any file. Like I'm select this, press on to move and select the USB storage. This is a pen drive. Okay, and I'm recently create this folder, select, press on move here. Now it's moving, and when it's complete to 100%, then successfully transfer this.